Hey guys, okay, so I'm on my lunch slash off period right now, and I decided to go to Press. It's literally just called Pressed, but it's this like juicery. I'm filming on my phone right now, so if this quality is like terrible, I'm really sorry. But I wanted to show you guys what I got before I go to school and like leave to go to LA. I got the vanilla almond drink with almonds, dates, vanilla extract, and sea salt. It looks so good. And then I also got a shot, immunity shot thing. And this one has lemon, chamomile, green tea, and lavender. And I need to take this because I'm not trying to get sick before I have to go record and stuff. Oh my gosh, this elderly couple just pulled up next to me. They look so cute. I'm gonna take this. Woo. Wait, that is so good. I cannot wait to go to LA, you guys. Like, it's literally gonna be such a fun time. Hopefully my school doesn't hate me for like skipping, but it's fine. What's up, guys? So I left school. We're in the car now with the whole fam.
Hi.
You know the vibes. Okay, so we're going to LA now, and I have a snack in the car before we go. Anybody want to take a guess? Today's snack is a cheese stick. Yum. Bye.
Beautiful music.
Thanks. All right, let's go to LA, baby.
Crazy.
That's crazy. Hey guys, good morning. We're in LA at our hotel, and basically I didn't tell you guys the reason that I'm actually here, so I'll tell you guys that now. So I'm going to be recording 2 songs today with a really amazing and talented producer, and I'm so excited because these songs are gonna be lit. They're gonna be so good. This is my first time actually recording with like a producer, because everything that I've done with my music has been on my own. I recorded it by myself, like had all the rights to it, had it under my own record label and stuff. So this is like the first time, and I'm like really excited. My mom and I are staying in this hotel that we stayed in a couple months ago when I did a back to school photo shoot commercial campaign for Dick's Sporting Goods. And this is probably my favorite hotel. I really like it because look at this view. So our bed faces the city. So yeah. The one thing that I would say though that I'm not like the biggest fan of is how noisy the city is, because it's like kind of hard to fall asleep. Okay, plans for breakfast. We're gonna get Alfred's coffee, and we're probably gonna get like some pastries and stuff. The breakfast here is like $30 at this hotel for one person, and we're not trying to spend $30, so we're just gonna get Alfred's coffee instead. Okay. All right, we're going to get breakfast now. I am so tired. Literally, there was a party going on last night. It was loud.
Very noisy.
Great, so I got a matcha latte, and then I got a bagel and cream cheese, a chocolate croissant for me. My mom got a burrito, and then she also got a blueberry muffin.
We know you a fraud, you ain't stand up.
Just for an acorn. All for an acorn. Hi vlog. We're heading out to record some.
So basically, I don't think I can say, like, I can't say anything yet. But I'm taking this water to go from Alfred's, and we're gonna go downstairs in the lobby and then order our Uber and stuff. But yeah, I'm really nervous and excited. We're starting at 11:30 and then we'll probably end like very late tonight because not only are we recording, but we're also writing these songs. I've gotten like a few lyrics and stuff down, but I can't wait to record with Benny. Should I say his name? Benny Cassette is the person that I'm gonna be recording with. He's an incredible producer and he's produced some things for Kanye and John Legend. Just like a really down-to-earth and spiritual guy. He's like great. And so I can't wait to meet him in person. We've just been chatting like over FaceTime and over text and like bouncing ideas off of each other. So it'll be really nice to actually create some magic inside the studio. I'm on my lunch break and I got this burrito. Look at how good this looks. Guess who just paid $14 for a bowl of strawberries? Me. This hotel is really taking our money. First up, merch in the background, dropping October 1st. Get hyped. I didn't actually plan for it to be there. I was just like taking photos of it earlier. So while I eat my strawberries, let me tell you guys how the day went because it is, oh wait, I don't have my watch. Mom, what time is it? It's 8:58 and I feel like so much has happened. I barely recorded any footage on my camera while I was at the studio with Benny because, well actually the studio was in his house. So we went to his house and we recorded. The reason why I didn't film a lot is because we literally got there at like 11 and we left super late because we had to not only write songs but also produce it, and that takes a really long time. But we did it. We got both of them done. It was so fun and I had such an amazing time. I can't wait for you guys to hear it. I'm pretty sure one of them is coming out before the other. So I want to say Teenage Therapy is coming out before the other song, and you'll see why it's coming out because I'm not gonna tell you guys. We have to wake up at 5 a.m. tomorrow for our flight. I have to practice my speech because on Monday I have an upcoming presentation.
Are we doing that?
I'm gonna put mine in mine and you put yours in yours.
Okay, that's fine.
Whew. Good morning, y'all. It is 4:30 a.m. The fact that I have this much energy right now is kind of scaring me a little bit, but we have a very early flight to catch today. By the way, I got my merch on, hashtag plug. I'm so excited for it to drop. It is the comfiest thing ever. Also, there's another color. There's not just white. Somebody DM'd me about that and was like, I'm so scared, what if I spill something on it? There's like a very dark green, I believe, that will be available. So I'm gonna try to attempt and drink this whole water bottle, but I know when we get to the airport, like I'm gonna need coffee or something because I'm just gonna crash. You know what? Because I love you guys so much, I'm gonna put a sneak peek of my song into this video. If you were on my close best friends list on my Instagram, then you would have already seen the video. So I'm gonna play it for you guys now because I love y'all. Here you go.
Taste just like medication to all of the population. We'll be alright.
We are gonna go roll out now and I'll see you guys at the airport or maybe in the Uber. I don't know.